Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be starting out on freshly washed hair. I washed my hair with apple cider vinegar and water, and I do have a video on that, and I will link that in the description box. But yeah, this is how my hair looks right after washing. I did dye it like 2 weeks ago, so that's why it looks burgundy. But yeah, let's jump into the video. So I'm going to be using some shea butter, and I got this shea butter from a company called Factual Natural, and it is black owned. So I just heat up the shea butter, and then I just put that on the first section of my hair. And as you can see, like, it's really coating my hair. It makes my hair shiny, and it really does make my hair soft, so I do like it. And this is going to be the only thing that I'm using on my hair in this video. So after I coat my hair with the shea butter, I just go in with my wide tooth comb and I comb from the end to the root of my hair. And then I separate that section into two, and I'm going to be using my tangle teaser just to make sure that there are no tangles. So when I have my braid out, it can, just look flawless. And then I just begin braiding. And as you all know, when I get to the end of my braid, I like to do a twist instead so it can be curly at the ends. And so now I'm literally just going to repeat this process over my entire head, and it's super just simple. So you go in with your tangle teaser and then you just are going to braid. So after I get done braiding my whole head, I like to pour the rest of the shea butter just on my scalp, and I massage it because, like I said, this really moisturizes my hair. So I just try to make sure my entire head is coated with the shea butter, and then I just dip my ends in the rest of the shea butter just to make sure my ends are saturated and just not dry or brittle. And so this is the next day. This is how my hair looks. My hair has dried completely. And I'm just going to begin taking it down. So even though I didn't use any products, y'all can see like the shea butter does make my hair defined. Now I'm not going to have a super defined braid out, but it does make it defined before I pick it out. So now you just want to pull your hair apart where it naturally separates. So like, don't force any separations, just start pulling it apart, and wherever it, pulls apart, then that's it. But I'm just going to do that around my whole head. Now I'm gonna go in with my pick, and I'm just picking, I'm picking the ends out, not really combing through. I do have a video on this as well, and I will link that in the description box below. And this is the final look. So this is my everyday, you know, braid out tutorial. I don't really use any products unless I'm working with a company. So this is what I do every week. I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys next time.